Today we have come up with another video, and here we will show you how to easily do analysis with mobile using certain indicators. The main reason for sharing the video is that first of all, many people want to do analysis with mobile and many people request to give video on this subject. Secondly, there are many who have to do analysis with mobile, but analysis can't be done properly on the small screen. So we are sharing all those indicators that can be used on mobile with indicators and give good feedback. Since mobile is a small device, not all indicators work well here, which means you can't do analysis properly, for which you will need a big screen. But we are introducing those indicators that can be easily analyzed on mobile. Anyway, today we will share how to do analysis with Ichimoku Cloud, and today's main topic will be how to set up Ichimoku Cloud on mobile, how to do the analysis with the help of this, and how to take the entry. So those who are mobile traders, watch the video till the end. So viewers, I am an official member of FOREX BD. I hope you are well. Today we will show you how to use Ichimoku Cloud Indicator on mobile. I have given videos about this indicator before, but again we are sharing so that you can use it on mobile, and it works very well on mobile, and it will not be a problem to do analysis even on small screen. So keep watching the video without skipping. So at the beginning you have to set up the indicator. Today we are showing from TradingView mobile app. However, this indicator cannot be followed through the mobile MT4 app. So if you want to follow this indicator on mobile, you have to use the TradingView mobile app. However, to set up, just click on the indicator option as before. After clicking on the indicator option, a new page will come up. Search by typing Ichimoku here. Just like the way we are searching for these indicators, search by typing the indicator name, then this indicator will come in front of you. Once you click on it, it will be set up on your screen. As you can see on the screen, maybe you are confused looking at this indicator thinking that maybe analysis will be very difficult, but no, it is very easy. So we have to make some settings, so we can see the name of this indicator next to it. There is a setting icon. If you click there, a new page will appear which you can see on the screen. The setting you have to do here is to remove the top 3 lines. The lines will be removed as soon as you remove the tick mark. Then come to the side input option, then write 1 in the last option below. When this is done, then clicking OK will make this indicator set up. Now there are just 2 lines in the indicators that you can see. This is called Ichimoku Cloud. Basically through this we will do the analysis and find out the entry zone very easily. The market is on an uptrend when the market is above the Ichimoku Cloud, and the market is on a downtrend when it is below the Ichimoku Cloud. Again, when the green line is above the red line, the market signals to be on the uptrend, and when the green line is below the red line, the market signals to be on the downtrend. So the way you enter from here is that when the green line crosses the red line from the top to the bottom, you will get the signal to go downtrend. You can see on the screen that the green line has crossed the red line from top to bottom, and just then the market has gone down a lot. So through this you are getting a good signal, because this signal is very strong. So at that time you can take a sell entry from here without any hesitation. In the same way, when this green line crosses the red line from the bottom to the top, you get the signal that the market is going up. I say again, when this green line goes up and crosses the red line from bottom to top, you will get the signal that the market will go upward, and you can take a buy order at that moment. There are countless placements where you can see that the market has created so many placements from where you could take entry if you wanted. As you can see here, the green line crosses the red line and goes down, and at the same time, the market goes down a lot. In the same moment you can take an entry without any hesitation if you want. If you had a sell entry at such a moment, You could have made a lot of pips profit here, because the market has gone too far. This way you can follow it if you want. One important thing to note is that this indicator works very well in large time frames like 3 hour, 4 hour and 1 day. There it works very well. However, one thing to keep in mind is that many times the green line will cross the red line a little late, but then do not go to take the entry. This means that many times you will notice that the green line has crossed the red line, but the market has already moved a lot. So do not go to trade at such moments. By doing this you will get less pips, and there is a possibility of loss again. In any case, you will do the analysis and take the entry by following exactly as we said. And in the risk ratio, I will say that you will always follow the 1:3 profit ratio. By doing this you can always stay profitable. So first you will set up SL by looking at the back point. That is, you will take SL till the point where the market has hit. Then if you set up SL 10 pips, then you will set up TP 30 pips. If you see a line crossing another line after you have entered the market, you will close the entry. Surely you understand, because when the green line crosses the red line it will signal the market to reverse. So follow this way not to convert your profit into loss. I hope you have understood the matter openly. Again, the reason for sharing these indicators for the second time is that it can be used properly on mobiles. Despite the small screen of the mobile you can do your job very well. So those who are mobile traders should try to practice like this for at least some time. And if you want, you can use the moving average with one of them. By doing this you will get more strong signal. However, keep the moving average period at 200. So the market will be on uptrend when the market is above the moving average, and the market will be on the downtrend when the market is below the moving average. However, just as I showed in the beginning, just practice with the Ichimoku indicator. I hope you will get good feedback. So this was today's video, but before finishing the video I will request those who still don't subscribe FOREX BD, please subscribe and click the bell icon for never miss an update, because your little effort will inspire us a lot. We will make a request to you wherever you create an account, broker house or payment gateway. You must use the FOREX BD's link. This will keep your account safe at all times. You will be able to participate in any type of contest. You will have the opportunity to trade in 0 pips spread. So be sure to account under the link given below. And if you like this video, don't forget to click the like button, because your likes and comments give us confidence to do something better. And if you have any suggestions you can leave a comment so that FOREX BD can meet your needs all the time.